Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery bracket, battery, solid-state drives, hard disk drive assembly, fan, trunk, heatsink fan assembly, and system board. Removal. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board and allow it to raise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.